In the present case, the decedent's last will and testament evidently omitted Joey as an heir, legatee, or devisee. This is not an issue. It is clear he was not part of the last will and testament. He was not instituted as an heir. So that is a non-issue. As the decedent's illegitimate son, Joey is a compulsory heir in the direct line, unless Mary could show otherwise. Okay, this is the important part. Okay, this was what I'm trying to explain earlier in this decision as we studied it. Okay, unless Mary could show otherwise, Joey's omission from the last will and testament leads to the conclusion of his preterition. During the proceedings in the regional trial court, Mary had the opportunity to present evidence that Joey received donation inter vivos and advances on his legitim from the decedent, his father. However, remember, Mary did not show up during the evidentiary hearings. Mary did not show up during the reception of evidence for the evidentiary hearing. So there is no evidence to prove that Joey received donation inter vivos and advances on his legitim from the decedent. Ergo, there is really preterition. However, Mary did not appear during the hearing dates. No? So that is really the problem. It effectively waived her right to present evidence on the issue of preterition. At this point, I think we cannot fault the trial court, the regional trial court, for reaching a reasonable conclusion that there was preterition. This is what the Supreme Court found. And I agree. It is once you understand the concepts of preterition, how this decision was written is already just an affirmation of what you have already understood. You will learn a lot of things from the Supreme Court decision. So we will go to other points with respect to the intrinsic and extrinsic validity of the will in the last video. Okay, next, not last. There are still a few more videos that we have to do for the Supreme Court decision. So, maybe if Mary showed up during the evidentiary hearings, if she showed up during the reception of evidence, if Mary showed up and brought evidence to prove that Joey received advance legitim or donations inter vivos during the lifetime of the decedent, definitely this case might end very differently. But she did not show up. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video.